Millions of car owners fall for mechanic scams every year. These scams quietly drain their wallets without them even realizing it. And guess what? You are probably falling for them too. Some of these shady tricks can cost you thousands of dollars in unnecessary repairs. Before you spend another dime, here are 15 mechanic scams you didn't know you were falling for. Stick around until the end because number 1 is the most common scam of all. Welcome to Built-in Booze. Cut through the marketing and give you the real story behind the badge. Let's get started. Scam number 15. Unnecessary transmission flushes. Many shops push transmission flushes as essential preventative maintenance. But here is the truth. Most cars do not need a transmission flush until between 60,000 and 100,000 miles, if ever. Mechanics often show you dark transmission fluid and warn that your transmission will fail without an immediate flush. But dark fluid does not necessarily mean bad fluid. If it does not smell burnt or contain metal particles, your fluid is probably fine. Usually, a simple drain and fill is all that is needed to maintain your transmission fluid. The flush service costs 2 to 3 times more than the drain and fill, which makes it much more profitable for shops. Some manufacturers, like Mazda, even warn that transmission flushes can damage your transmission. Flushing forces debris into sensitive internal parts that should be left alone. So, what might seem like good advice could actually be harmful and costly. Scam number 14. Air filter upsells. During oil changes, mechanics often pull out your air filter and show you how dirty it is. Then they say your engine is choking on dirty air and you need a replacement immediately. The quoted price is usually $30 to $50 for a filter you can buy for around $8 at any auto parts store. Here is what they don't tell you. Air filters are designed to get dirty. A slightly dirty filter actually traps contaminants better than a brand new one. Replacing the filter takes about 2 minutes, requires no tools, and you can easily do it yourself. This simple service often comes with a premium labor charge that you can avoid by doing it on your own. Scam number 13. Brake scare tactics. Mechanics know that when it comes to brakes, customers rarely question recommendations. They might tell you your brakes are dangerous and need immediate replacement to get you to open your wallet quickly. Often, the brake pads still have thousands of miles left. Shops might claim your rotors need replacing when they actually only need resurfacing. Or they will say your brake fluid is contaminated when it is simply showing normal aging. These unnecessary additions can triple your repair bill. Always ask to see the worn parts. And if the repair seems expensive or urgent, get a second opinion. Scam number 12. Engine flush services. Engine flushes are sold as a way to clean harmful deposits and extend engine life. But modern engines and oils are designed to prevent buildup when properly maintained. Flushing an engine that has built up deposits can cause leaks by removing what acts like seals, and chemicals used can loosen debris that may clog oil passages. This can lead to serious engine damage. Most automotive engineers agree that if your engine is dirty enough to need flushing, it is probably already too late to save. Good maintenance prevents problems. Expensive flushes do not fix neglect. Stick to regular oil changes with quality oil and avoid this expensive upsell. Scam number 11. Premium oil changes. Many shops will push synthetic or high-mileage oil even when your vehicle runs fine on conventional oil. They claim synthetic oil improves engine performance and fuel economy, but for normal driving, these benefits are often exaggerated. Unless your owner's manual requires synthetic oil, conventional oil protects your engine just as well at a much lower cost. Synthetic oils are 2 to 3 times more expensive, so unless you have special conditions like towing or racing, the extra cost is rarely worth it. High mileage oil is marketed to owners of older cars, but many healthy engines do not need it. Scam number 10. Coolant flush overkill. Mechanics often recommend coolant flushes every 2 years or 30,000 miles, but most modern vehicles can go 100,000 miles or more between coolant changes. Coolant naturally changes color as it ages, but this does not make it harmful. The flush process is often unnecessary. A simple drain and refill usually accomplishes the same goal at half the price. Some shops even claim mixing different coolant types will damage your engine. The truth is, most modern coolants are compatible. Always follow your vehicle's manufacturer's schedule, not service center recommendations. Scam number 9. Cabin air filter panic. Service centers love to show you a dirty cabin air filter and tell you it is harming your health and your air conditioning performance. They charge $25 to $40 for a filter that costs $8 and takes less than a minute to replace. Cabin air filters are designed to get dirty. Unless your filter is completely black or falling apart, it does not need immediate replacement. Most filters last between 15,000 and 25,000 miles. This scam profits by charging inflated prices for parts and labor for a very quick job. Check your owner's manual and consider doing this yourself. Scam number 8. Timing belt lies. Timing belt failure can be catastrophic, so shops often scare you into replacing them sooner than necessary. Many modern cars use timing chains that last the life of the vehicle. For those with timing belts, replacements are typically needed between 60 and 100,000 miles. Some shops recommend replacements as early as 40 or 50,000 miles to increase profits. Always check your owner's manual and know whether your vehicle has a belt or chain. Scam number 7. Power steering fluid scare. Mechanics sometimes claim your power steering fluid is burnt or dirty and needs changing, but power steering fluid rarely needs replacement unless there is a leak or contamination. It is normal for the fluid to darken with age, but this does not affect its performance. Power steering systems are mostly sealed. Shops charge premium prices for fluid that costs very little and add labor charges for a service that takes 10 minutes. Scam number 6. Spark plug replacement lies. Many service centers recommend spark plug replacement every 30,000 miles. However, modern platinum and iridium spark plugs last up to 100,000 miles or more. Unless you are experiencing misfires or performance issues, replacing spark plugs early wastes money. Engine management systems compensate for minor wear to maintain performance until plugs actually need replacing. If you are finding this information useful, now is a great time to hit the like button. There are 5 more scams that you need to know about. Number 1 is the biggest scam that almost every driver falls for without realizing it. Scam number 5, bait and switch pricing. That advertised $39 oil change can quickly become $129 after the shop finds additional problems. Shops count on your car being half disassembled so you will approve extra repairs. Always get everything in writing before any work begins and do not approve anything without a detailed estimate. Scam number 4, used parts sold as new. Some dishonest mechanics charge you for new parts, but install used or remanufactured components to pocket the difference. This scam is hard to detect if you do not know what new parts should look like. Always ask to see the old parts removed and the packaging from the new parts installed. If the shop refuses, it is a major red flag. Scam number 3, CV boot lies. Torn CV boots should be replaced, but it is not always urgent. Many shops exaggerate the urgency and push full CV joint replacements, which are 5 to 10 times more expensive than simple boot repairs. In some cases, boots are even damaged during routine inspections to create problems. You can inspect your own CV boots. They are the rubber covers near your wheels. If there is no grease leaking, immediate replacement is probably unnecessary. Labor times quoted for these repairs are often inflated by 2 to 3 times. Always get multiple quotes. Scam number 2, unneeded transmission replacement. Some shops claim your transmission needs full replacement when minor repairs or sensor replacements would solve the issue. Remanufactured transmissions often cost thousands and may not be better than repairing the original. Lifetime warranties usually cover only the transmission, not labor costs for installation. Avoid any shop that gives you a transmission quote over the phone without proper diagnosis. Many transmission failures are caused by inexpensive parts that take minutes to replace. Scam number 1, diagnostic fee fraud. Reading a vehicle's error codes takes less than 5 minutes, yet some shops charge $100 or more just to plug in a scanner. Auto parts stores offer free code reading. Some shops use diagnostic fees to justify unnecessary repairs or to clear codes without fixing problems. It is common for shops to charge diagnostic fees multiple times for the same visit, adding hundreds to your bill. Never pay multiple diagnostic fees for one problem, and always ask what diagnostic work was performed. If this video saved you money, leave a comment below letting us know which scam surprised you the most. For more ways to keep your car running longer without breaking the bank, check out our next video titled Car Maintenance Hacks that will make your vehicle last 500,000 miles. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on the real stories behind the badge. Thanks for watching Built-in Boost.